Hey guys, today I'm going to make some baked eggplant. So let's get toasting. I rinsed this off and I'm going to leave the skin on it. So I'm just going to take the stem off there and we'll get rid of that. And then I'm going to cut it in half, just right down the middle. Alright, just like that. And then I'm just going to put cuts about every inch or so, and I'm not going to go all the way through, probably just about 3/4 of the way through. And I don't know if you really have to do this, but I think it kind of helps it maybe cook a little bit better. And I'm going to put pasta sauce on it, so I think it kind of helps the sauce kind of get down into it a little bit more. And then I'll just kind of cut one more cut just right down the center like that. There we are. Now I'm just going to do the same thing to that side. Now I'm just going to season these with a little bit of kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic and onion in it. You guys know that if you've watched me very much, because I use that all the time. Then I'm going to use some of this Classico traditional pasta sauce and just pour some of that on each half and just kind of spread it out a little bit. I'm setting my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 35 minutes. This actually preheats for 10 minutes before the timer starts. And this is a 10-inch cast iron skillet I'm using, so if you don't have one, just use your baking tray, it'll work fine. And I put the rack down at the bottom, so we'll get those in there and we'll be back in a little bit. This has been cooling off for about 10 minutes or so. It's super hot. Threw a piece of parsley on top just to make it look pretty. But you can see, fork just goes right in and out of it, super tender. So let me see if I can get a piece of it here. That looks real good. All right, let's try this out. It looks pretty hot. That's pretty good. Pretty healthy way to cook it. There's no oil in that. I'm not sure if Annie will eat eggplant or not, but I'll toss her a little piece and see what happens. I think she's snubbing the eggplant. Well, actually, she finally ate it. Maybe it's a little bit hot. She didn't seem overly thrilled by it though, but she looks like she's waiting for more. I'm not sure if I should give her any more eggplant or not though. So if you like eggplant, this is a pretty healthy way to eat it. And if you don't, then never mind. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys.